Welcome to my YouTube channel Mobile Nexus. The Tecno Spark Tech 2025 has entered the smartphone market with a dynamic combination of innovation, affordability, and style. As consumers increasingly demand value for money alongside premium features, Tecno has responded by introducing a device that reflects the aspirations of the modern user while still being accessible to the masses. The Tecno Spark Tech 2025 is not just a budget phone, it is a statement in engineering and design excellence. With every release, Tecno raises the bar in the affordable smartphone segment, and this time, it is clear that the Spark Tech model has undergone significant upgrades in hardware, software, and aesthetics. Starting with the design, the Tecno Spark Tech 2025 showcases a sleek and contemporary body that feels both premium and ergonomic. The back panel features a glossy gradient finish that changes hues under different lighting conditions, creating a visual treat for the user. Tecno has introduced this model in vibrant color variants such as electric blue, sunset gold, nebula black, and a special limited edition rainbow white. Each of these shades adds a youthful and energetic touch to the device's personality, making it a popular choice among Gen Z and millennial consumers. The phone's slim profile, curved edges, and lightweight build ensure that it feels comfortable in the hand for extended use. The rear camera module is neatly integrated, preventing the bulky appearance often seen in other mid-range phones. On the front, the Tecno Spark Tech 2025 is fitted with a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display that offers a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. With an impressive 120 Hz refresh rate, this display ensures ultra-smooth scrolling, responsive touch interaction, and a delightful multimedia experience. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series, playing graphic-intensive games, or simply browsing social media, the vivid colors and deep contrasts of the AMOLED panel make everything come to life. The bezels are thin, enhancing the screen-to-body ratio and immersing users in a near-full-screen experience. Tecno has also included an in-display fingerprint sensor that is fast and reliable, adding a layer of convenience and security to the device. Performance-wise, the Tecno Spark Tech 2025 is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset built on a 6nm process. This powerful yet efficient octa-core processor is paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The RAM is expandable via Tecno's Memory Fusion feature, which allows users to add an additional 8 GB of virtual RAM for improved multitasking. This makes the phone capable of handling heavy applications, gaming, and multitasking with ease. Whether you're editing videos, switching between multiple apps, or playing games like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, or Genshin Impact, the performance remains smooth and lag-free. The advanced GPU ensures stunning graphics rendering and supports the latest APIs for better game development compatibility. On the software front, the Tecno Spark Tech 2025 runs on iOS 14 based on Android 14. The interface is clean, fluid, and optimized for one-handed use. Tecno has included numerous customization options such as dynamic themes, always-on display styles, and smart widgets. The UI has been significantly refined with fewer pre-installed bloatware apps.